ऐसा मत करो, तो ले ना ले, दिखाओ सबके दिखाओ ना यार, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो?
My first question to you: what really made you to be part of this movie?
नीचे कर भाई,
What really made you to
भाई
be
नीचे
part of
कर
this
ना।
movie? What is so special about the movie you become part of it?
I think any actor, when they hear a story like the story of Savitri Satyavan adapted to the modern times, that can be very compelling for an actor to sign a movie, and the kind of action that I have the chance to do, I don't think any heroine would have the chance to do in a Bollywood film.
But what kind of role you are playing basically? I mean, can you describe about the role?
I don't want to reveal too much about the movie, so I would much rather that the movie comes out and so you see what my role is.
And how was the equation working with Rajat as such, as an actor, as an individual?
I think Rajat is a natural actor. I think he's a very intelligent actor, and I think that working with him has been one of the best experiences. I saw him in Uran, and you have to understand that when he did Uran, he was very young, and so the maturity he has now, I've got the chance to work with him with that. So I think it's wonderful.
You know, but the Indian audience is so obsessed with Kumar, Khans, and Kapoors. So how will the audience expect this kind of movie as such? You know, with no major star cast.
This film has a Raizada, a Burmecha, and a Pinder, and it's gonna rock.
And talking about the music part, what about the music? Does the film have sound music?
The film definitely has one phenomenal song, and when the music launch happens, you'll see that as well.
And how will the movie be a turning point of your career as such?
I think this movie is a film that is highlighting me in a way that has never been done before. So I hope, fingers crossed, that it really propels me on the acting market.
And can you tell me some incident happening on the shooting, while shooting, any interesting incident happening?
Yes, I did a stunt where I jumped off a building. And the building is around 30 माले की building है. And I jumped off of that using a harness. जब आप इतनी ऊंचाई से कूदते हैं ना, तो आपके अंदर पता नहीं कुछ गुदगुदी सी फीलिंग आती है. तो वो मेरे लाइफ में मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है.
Even Param Gill looks like a very chilled out character as such. Talking about the director, how was the direction of the movie?
Param Gill is a very dedicated director. उन्होंने ये स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, उन्होंने ये स्क्रीन पे लिखी है, यहाँ तक उन्होंने म्यूज़िक कंपोज किया है और म्यूज़िक के लिरिक्स भी लिखे हैं. तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ये एक मल्टी टैलेंटेड आदमी है और उनको पता है कि वो इस फिल्म को क्यों बना रहे हैं. उनका मकसद एक ही है कि ये फिल्म के ज़रिए बहुत सारी औरतों को एक इंस्पिरेशन मिले, मोटिवेशन मिले कि वो आगे जाके मार्शल आर्ट सीखें और अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर पाएँ.
So your grandfather is a legendary, musician as such. Are you inclined towards music as such also?
हमारे घर में there are two things that run all the time. One is science and one is arts. तो हम दोनों में बहुत ज़्यादा सीखते हैं. तो आर्ट्स में सब कुछ आ जाता है, म्यूज़िक भी आ जाता है, सिनेमा भी आता है, लिटरेचर भी आता है. So we are all very involved in all of these fields, and yes, music shall be a part of my life in a very big way.
Last question, besides this project, are you working in any other project as of now?
As of now, I cannot disclose anything, but yes, I hope to be working in more projects.
Thanks. Okay. What really inspired you to make this movie as such?
I should go in English or Hindi? English, okay. I live in San Francisco and I hear these stories about rape and plunder of Indian women, and it's not very inspiring. It's in fact very embarrassing when I meet with fellow countrymen in America. It's always something that we look down on, and I wanted to inspire the women of my country of origin that you can take up martial arts for self-defense. You can fight for yourself. You can defend yourself. You don't need anyone. You don't need your brother. You don't need your father. You can do it all yourself.
Talking about the Bollywood movies, as you are aware of the culture, Bollywood movies run on the known faces as such. But it's a known face in the movie. All the new star cast as such. How risky is it to make a movie with new star cast?
I don't think it's risky at all. I think what would have been risky would be to get a known name to star in this film, because we are introducing a new martial arts technique through this film which has never been done before in Indian cinema, and any known face would have immediately been tossed out of humanity. So it was purposely intended the way we cast this film, and the new face lends credibility to the technique and the message that we are trying to drive.
What really made you to be part of the movie? What was so inspiring about the movie?
Sorry?
What was so inspiring about the movie you become a part of the movie as such?
Basically the name, Warrior Savitri. Savitri is such a old story you know very well, which is behind Savitri and Satyavan. She took the Ruh, Atma from Yamraj, and this time we are showing the girl power, the girl empowerment. Ki we know everywhere there's in India lots of rape cases are going on. So we want to do something else. We have that power. We can fight with that kind of man. So this thing inspired me.
But this is your debut movie as an actress.
This is my
So
debut.
how challenging it was to act in a big budget movie and on a bigger screen? Because if you're on a bigger screen, I mean, you are an actress of small screen. So how challenging it is as an actress?
It's really very challenging. But the star cast and my director, they are so charming, and I didn't feel that I am somewhere like I cannot do that kind of thing. So it is just kind of my set. It is just kind of my set. He's a very good director, Mr. Param Gill. He's a very good director.